Welcome to our presentation on processing cash and non-cash transactions. Today, we will explore essential procedures and best practices to ensure efficient and accurate handling of financial transactions. Let's begin with an overview of the key concepts and processes involved. At the start of each shift, a cashier receives a cash float, also known as a cash bank or imprest. This float consists of notes and coins used to provide change to customers. It's crucial to count the cash received before accepting it to ensure accuracy and accountability. Managing the cash float requires constant vigilance. Always be aware of the float's balance and never let it deplete. If the float runs low, request additional cash from an authorized person. Prepare the necessary notes for exchange to maintain smooth operations. Proper documentation is essential when managing the float. Sign any required documents and adhere to company procedures. Avoid borrowing or lending the float to others, as it is strictly for company use. This ensures transparency and accountability. When making change for customers, accuracy is key. Always check the money before handing it over and count it in front of the customer. Encourage the customer to verify the change to prevent discrepancies and ensure satisfaction. Issuing receipts is a fundamental right of the customer. Always provide a receipt for payments made, as it serves as proof of transaction and helps maintain accurate records. This practice builds trust and transparency with customers. Processing credit card transactions involves several steps. Swipe the card, enter the necessary details, and wait for authorization. Ensure the transaction is approved before completing the sale. This process ensures secure and efficient handling of electronic payments. Handling debit card transactions requires similar steps. Swipe the card, enter the required information, and wait for the cardholder to verify the transaction. Once approved, print the receipt. This ensures a smooth and secure transaction process. Closing a payment point is a critical end-of-shift task. Count all cash and payments and ensure the float is accurately accounted for. Follow establishment policies for securing the float and balance your terminal in a private area for security. At the end of the day, separate the cash float from the rest of the cash intake. Different establishments may have varying procedures for handling the float. Ensure compliance with your organization's specific guidelines to maintain accuracy and security. Completing a cash report form is essential at the end of each shift. This form summarizes the cash float, cash intake, non-cash transactions, and payouts. Accurate reporting ensures financial transparency and accountability within the organization. Documenting intake involves several steps. Separate the float balance, record all payouts and sales, and balance the float to show the ending balance. Total the sales and sign the report sheet to ensure comprehensive and accurate financial documentation. Depositing intake requires careful handling. Place money and non-cash documents in a secure bag or envelope for transportation. Follow enterprise policies for end-of-day sales and deposits to ensure security and compliance with organizational standards.